Hello, this is Franklin Becco at City World Ford in the Bronx. Here are the benefits why you should buy a pre-owned car. For example, this Ford Mustang 2018 with very low mileage. What that means is it has been driven less than what you're supposed to, but it's in great shape, great condition, under the warranty. You cannot go wrong with a pre-owned car, especially this Ford Mustang. Luxury sports cars have a tendency of being well maintained, especially this particular 2017 Mercedes-Benz, very low mileage. We can show you the CarFax, we can show you the service record, and every time we go to service, we make sure that the car is ready to be driven. One of the many benefits that you have when you get a pre-owned vehicle is that the car already depreciated. So that means you're gonna pay less. And furthermore, you're gonna get many options on the vehicle that you're not paying for them. Because remember, they're already in the car with the price that you're paying. So remember, every pre-owned car that we have here has the CarFax, the history when it was purchased the first time. Furthermore, we have all the service record. So come to City Ford in the Bronx, ask for Franklin Becco. And remember, it is better to buy in the Bronx.